Hi and welcome to the EVO 4 introduction video. So this, once you log in, this is exactly what you see. These are how many site tokens I've got, how many AI tokens I've got active forever because I've obviously got a lifetime license. This is what's called the dashboard. You can add a new project here, video tutorials here. If you need support there. Our community is there on Facebook. But what I'd like to go through now is our settings page. So we're working with a site called Index Me Now. It is a brilliant site that indexes your content, gets all your content into Google. I don't even know how they do it, but we've been using them for years and they do an excellent job. So you can create an account there. So use this link to register, and if you use the EVO 4 Index Me Now, you'll get a 10% off, which is very cool. So once you've registered, you need to create one project inside Index Me Now and then get your Index Me Now API key. Then go to EVO 4 settings, add your Index Me Now API key. EVO 4 will load all the projects you have in your Index Me Now account into the window that you can see here. Select a project you wish to use for EVO 4 from the list by clicking on it. You must select a project below before saving the settings, otherwise it will not work. Now save the settings and you're done. So now we'll go on to the personal site settings. This is where you have the opportunity to use your own bucket sites. These are the bucket sites we're working with, and we've created this document here. You click on the link and then that gives you instructions how to create the accounts on each of these bucket sites. So that's very cool. Then you click on Save Settings. So what you were looking at here on the screen are finished projects. When you create a project, it goes into a queue and you'll see it here, and there's a sliding bar telling you how long it will take to process. To add a new project, click on this button here, and then you have these selections, which I will go through in the next video. Feel free to ask any questions. If you've got technical questions, go to the support desk here, or any other strategy questions, go to our Facebook group here, the EVO 4 community. I'll see you in the next video.